The echoes of yesterday. In the quaint village of Eldermere, time seemed to waltz to a different rhythm. Nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, it was a place where the past lingered in the air like the scent of honeysuckle. The villagers often spoke of a peculiar phenomenon, the echoes, whispers of forgotten stories that surfaced when the moon was full. On one such night, as the silver orb hung low in the sky, Clara, a curious young historian, ventured into the heart of the forest. Armed with her notebook and an insatiable thirst for knowledge, she sought the echoes that had eluded her for years. As she walked, the rustling leaves seemed to beckon her deeper into the shadows. Suddenly, a soft murmur broke the silence. Clara paused, her heart racing. "You seek the truth?" the voice seemed to ask, laced with the wisdom of ages. With each step, the stories unfolded, tales of love lost, battles fought, and dreams abandoned. Clara listened intently, her pen dancing across the pages of her notebook. But as dawn approached, the echoes began to fade. A sense of urgency washed over her. "Wait," she cried, desperate to capture the essence of these voices. "What must I do to remember?" The final whisper resonated in her mind. "Share our stories, for only then do we truly live." As the first light of day broke through the trees, Clara emerged from the forest, her heart brimming with newfound purpose. The echoes of Eldermere would not be forgotten. They would live on through her words.